Vikram, with the shift towards more personalized and realistic weddings, how is Finesse Couture adapting its manufacturing processes to meet these evolving demands, especially for your international clients in the United States, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and Europe?
The wedding industry has transformed significantly, and this is true globally. Brides today, whether in India or in countries like the US, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or Europe, are seeking gowns that are deeply personal and reflective of their own unique stories. At Finesse Couture, we have reimagined our approach to design and manufacturing to deliver on these expectations, not only for our international partners, but also for our local clients too. Designers, boutiques, and stylists who rely on us to provide couture quality gowns for their brides. Personalization is at the heart of what we do. Brides want gowns that tell their story, whether it's incorporating heirloom fabrics, custom embroidery with sentimental motifs, or even the wedding date woven into the design. Our design team, led by Shweta, works closely with our international partners, often starting with mood boards to capture their clients' visions. This requires a highly flexible manufacturing process, as every gown is essentially a one-of-a-kind creation. To support this, we have invested in advanced pattern-making technologies that allow us to create precise bespoke designs quickly. Our artisans, with their expertise in traditional embroidery, bring these designs to life with unparalleled precision, ensuring every detail is perfect while meeting timelines crucial for international orders. We've also noticed that brides worldwide want versatility. Many are looking for gowns that can transition from the ceremony to the reception or even across different wedding events. To meet this demand, we have developed designs with detachable elements like overskirts, sleeves, or even bodices offering multiple looks in a single gown. This not only adds practicality, but also aligns with sustainability as it reduces the need for multiple dresses. Speaking of sustainability, we are exploring eco-friendly materials like organic silk and adopting ethical production practices. Brides across the globe are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, and we are committed to creating timeless pieces they can cherish beyond their wedding day. Technology plays a significant role in our adaptations. Digital prototyping techniques speed up our design to production cycle, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing quality. Ultimately, our focus is on flexibility, collaboration, and innovation. By staying attuned to our clients' desires and adapting our processes, we create gowns that exceed expectations, making each bride's special day truly unforgettable, no matter where they are from.
How do you ensure these personalized designs remain affordable for a wider audience, including international clients?
Affordability is key, especially when catering to a global market with varying economic conditions. While personalization can be labor-intensive, we optimize our processes to keep costs manageable. For instance, based on designers' requests, we use high-quality alternatives to keep expensive materials like intricate beadwork instead of imported crystals, without compromising the couture aesthetic. Our artisans are incredibly efficient, allowing us to maintain quality while keeping prices accessible. We offer a range of customization levels, so designers and boutiques can choose options that fit their client budgets.
What challenges have you faced in adapting to these modern demands in the international market?
One of the biggest challenges is balancing personalization with efficiency, especially when dealing with international shipping and varying timelines. Each custom gown requires unique patterns and fittings, which can strain production schedules. We have addressed this by streamlining our workflow and training our team to handle bespoke orders seamlessly. Another challenge is staying ahead of trends in different markets. Social media accelerates the demand for new styles, and what's trending in the US might differ from what's popular in Europe or Australia. We monitor general and specific social media platforms and work closely with our international partners to understand local preferences, ensuring our collections stay fresh and relevant across borders.
Looking ahead, what's next for Finesse Couture in meeting these evolving needs globally?
We are very excited about the future. We are expanding our sustainable fabric offerings and started using 3D printing for intricate design elements, which can be particularly appealing to tech-savvy brides in markets like the US and Europe. Our goal is to keep pushing the boundaries of couture while staying true to our roots in craftsmanship and client collaboration, ensuring that Finesse Couture remains a trusted name in bridal fashion worldwide.